Hi everyone, our real estate industry is changing at a record pace, and the challenge for both buyers and sellers is how they make a decision about how to work with you. Gone are the days where you can just put out a sold sign or just mail out a postcard and hope that you're going to get hired. Today, sellers and buyers are interviewing you. They want to know about you. They want to know who you are. You have to find a way to articulate who you are, your story, what you do for them, what the benefit is of working with you. If you can't do that in today's marketplace, you're going to lose business. You need tools to be able to showcase that. And I'll give you a great example. When I was actively selling, I was fairly young, and I needed to show that I had experience, I was detail-oriented, and that I knew the market. I needed tools for that. I had to walk into that presentation and be able to show sellers that nobody knew pricing better than I did. I couldn't walk in with a traditional CMA, but also what was the story behind that? Why was I so passionate about investing and about helping sellers get the very, very, very top dollar that they could? I had a story to tell there, and I did that visually. I showed them challenges that I had had, how I had overcome that. You got to do the same thing. In order for you to be relevant in today's market and to attract buyers and sellers, you've got to have tools that tell your story. Who are you? How do you work? Why should someone hire you? Why are you better and different than the competition? All of that can be conveyed by telling who you are, because people will hire you because of who you are. So don't ever think that who you are doesn't have a story and there are things about you that can't really benefit those clients. There has never been a client that I have ever met that has told me about who they are as a person where I haven't been able to say, you know what? You need a tool for that. Let's show that. If you used to be a home builder, a nurse, a doctor, a pilot, there's something in your history that tells a fantastic story and that can benefit your client. So you got to figure that out. So come and join me and let me share some ideas with you. I cannot wait to help you share your story.